Hello, you're welcome to the CoverGirl TV channel. I'm Miss CoverGirl, and you can as well address me as a good dear Papa B. On this platform, what I do best is like we talk about spiritual and physical stuff. So don't forget to share for friends and family to have access to the video. Don't forget to leave your comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this channel. Once again, I'm Miss Cover Girl. So the fact that I always tell people that I don't have para, does not mean that I don't have para. I do have para. I mean, humbly, I do have para. But it's because of some people that I was trying to hold back, and in a way, I'd like, trying to respect my people, trying to hold back some stuff doesn't mean I do not have para. I have para. It's because I say mini para, mini para. Miss Rebusia for I'm here to announce you say me wa para pa. Ni dear respect na me dey mo bi. Tina na ma hold you back no. But me yet then, my dear foreigners, you're welcome. Today's topic is about how to, purify your environment, how to eliminate negative energies from your environment, and the items, like spiritual items that you will be needing. Okay, the spiritual items that you need to do this rituals. Once again, a book, just a matter of respect. Na me de man bi, okay? Just respect. And na me de man kro. Nti me ka say mini para, ma wa adwen you say mini para, me wo para. Pa, me wo para. E ma ni bruso. But na me de man bi keke. Okay, so and that is about how to eliminate negative energies from your homes, your office, your stores, and apartment, like what have you. So the first spiritual items that you'll be needing is camphor. Camphor. So with this video, we are doing 3-in-1 video, okay? 3-in-1. So there are some spiritual items that you might have heard me, mentioning them and all, but with this video, I'm going to combine everything and make sure that the video becomes just something short in order for everybody to be able to do some. So me can say bia unhu say bia nsem nyama bi wa mabobo so dada ana wate ana wonim nyama ye de ya me can ni na boom said ya ya wo ya no once and for all, okay? And now fe na obeko video we no akọ video nti me try say me bọ ni na atofa na wait to me aye nini na bi ebusuya for Miss Shaw, don't forget to subscribe to the Cover Girl TV channel. You leave your comments, like the show, and also share for other people to have their take on the video. Okay, leave your comments. Okay, so and again, you'll be needing camphor, Percocet, okay, Percocet, and also garlic. If you have cinnamon, you can add cinnamon to it. Okay, you can add cinnamon to it. And to my dear foreigners, if there's any item that you're kind of confused as to the name, kindly ask the questions at the the comment section. My dear people from Ghana will reply you at the comment section. If any spiritual items and for some reason I wasn't able to mention the English name, kindly ask it at the comment section and somebody will help you. And also, my dear followers, please, if for some reason so I wasn't able to mention them, kindly list them, like list the spiritual items at the comment section for our people. So this is how you're going to go about it. For making sure say camphor no obebobo Percocet no be papai. So you crush the camphor and also make sure that you break the Percocet into pieces, okay? You break it into pieces. And also your garlic, you chop it. Make sure that you chop it. Okay, slice anyhow you will do it. Like just make sure say wow, wait you try. Into wait you try garlic, obe crush camphor no. Then you be any obepe ayowa, okay? Earthenware, okay, ayowa. Ayowa now this. So now the nini combine everything in it, okay? Or maybe a black pot. So combine everything in it. Now what pe eja jasrama. Okay, what pe jasrama. Na ode jasrama no. Atum elshino na wo boom, okay? Now boom, ube boom. Then when you realize it said like the smoke is coming out, take it to every corner, like the 4 corners of your room. Even your apartment, you go to your kitchen, make sure that you show it to the four corners, okay? So that you're getting rid of every negative energies from the room. All negative energies from the room. And don't forget that if you have cinnamon, to crush the cinnamon stick. Get stick, don't get powder. I don't believe in the powder. Get stick. I repeat, don't get powder. So you crush it and add everything to it in your pot. Then you burn it, you take it around your house, your compound. You can do this direction in the evening, but maybe perhaps you live with your husband or you've got kids in the house. Make sure that when you do it, maybe perhaps in the evening, like afternoon, when they are not in the house. And mind you, whenever you're doing this direction, the possibility that you will see lots of cobwebs is high. The possibility that you see lots of cobwebs is high. So with this direction, the merits for doing this direction is you getting rid of negative energies from your space, okay? Getting rid of negative energies. And do this direction at least, if not for anything, once in every month. Once in every month. In your house, your home, your apartment, office, shops, like anywhere that you think that there are some negative energies around. Or so you put it in a small container and you do it once every month, or before you start your business. Make sure that you can even put the pot beside you when you are selling. Those who sell orange, those who sell fruits, okay, put it in a small container. Oh God. So put it in a small container and put charcoal, like a fire in it, so that it will burn. Anybody that will get closer and doesn't buy your stuff, your product, meaning that person has a negative energy. And once again, you're welcome to the CoverGirl TV channel. I'm Miss CoverGirl, and in order for you to grow, in order for you, your spiritual journey to get high, in order to lift yourself, in order to get to that higher energy, I urge you to do this. Don't lose God. Do it for me, and let's see. And just by the way, it was for once again. The Ejumani the Edeya Abruwe Puma Kwemu. My new choice. I have to do it. I have to do it. My new choice. I have to do it. And again, you're welcome to the RAM show. I am Miss CoverGirl, and you're on CoverGirl TV. Kindly subscribe to the channel, and I'll make sure that I bring more videos. So if you enjoyed it, kindly leave your comments at the comment section, and I will, gladly read it for you. See you.